I cannot wait until summer arrives. When you put on your swimsuit, all those months spent inside waiting for warm weather will have been worthwhile. There is still time to get Beachbody ready. No worries. No, we're not referring to dangerous, extreme diets that restrict you of food and make you grouchy or irritable. As an alternative, we've created this Beachbody guide that anyone can utilize to develop a physique they can be proud of. 1. Include protein in each meal. It goes without saying that getting adequate protein will help you gain muscular mass, but protein also helps you burn fat. According to a research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, dividing your protein intake over your 3 meals will help you lose weight. After reviewing 24 studies on protein consumption, the researchers found that people who consumed protein throughout that day saw better weight loss results while preserving more lean mass, the ultimate goal for the ideal Beachbody. 2. Quit munching. Even healthy munching can slow down weight reduction and keep you from dropping those final few pounds. Even while a few quick bits of nutritious food may not seem like much, the hurried and frequently mindless method that most people like to snack might be detrimental to getting Beachbody ready. A few extra calories here and there can rapidly build up and lead to inadvertent overeating. Eat 3 or 4 healthy meals throughout the day rather than snacking. If you have set meal times, it will be much simpler to monitor your intake. 3. Avoid alcohol. Is the Beachbody you envision more sculpted and toned than your existing figure? After that, you need to eat fewer calories so that your body can start burning fat that has been stored. You consume more calories with each drink of alcohol. In fact, a study indicated that males eat an additional 433 calories on days when they only had a couple of drinks. This study was published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Additionally, drinking reduces our inhibitions and decreases our likelihood of sticking to our diets. Avoid the bar if maintaining your leanness is the secret to your Beachbody. 4. Consume anti-cellulite foods. 9 out of 10 women have to deal with cellulite during the swimsuit season. It may manifest as a result of a breakdown in the collagen-containing connective tissue of the skin. Since collagen is a kind of protein, consuming foods high in protein can aid in strengthening the collagen fibers that diminish cellulite. Also, don't forget to drink enough of water. Additionally, a strong source of collagen are flax seeds. Dark-colored berries like blueberries and blackberries help the body naturally produce more collagen. Make cashew noodles with broccoli and tofu for dinner tonight to enjoy lean protein and collagen-boosting berries. 5. Eat a diet low in bloat. Your beach physique might not appear shredded but rather puffy if you have a swollen belly. Adopt a low bloat diet if your Beachbody reveal is only a few days away. Start by avoiding packaged foods high in salt, which can lead to water retention. Unexpectedly, some healthful foods might also make you feel bloated. Slow-digesting carbohydrates are included in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, which can lead to flatulence. Apples, beans, and peas are other healthy meals that could give you a bloated feeling. Eat fruits strong in potassium, such as bananas, avocados, kiwis, and oranges, to avoid water retention. Asparagus and cucumbers are the vegetables that help you feel less bloated. Don't panic if you do become bloated. 6. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Any physical ambitions require plenty of sleep. Sleep will be crucial to your achievement, regardless of whether your ideal beach figure calls for significant muscle build or fat removal. Your body can recuperate from vigorous activity, grow, and mend muscles while you sleep. Your hormonal balance may be disturbed by lack of sleep, which can result in overeating and cravings. Lack of sleep might weaken your resolve, causing you to start skipping workouts and abusing your diet. 7. Don't skip upper back exercises. Without a slim waist, no Beachbody is complete. Most individuals are unaware that an upper back with strong, well-shaped muscles will make the waist appear smaller and more defined. Your body can appear out of proportion and your waist may appear larger than it actually is if you forget to train the upper back. 8. Practice good posture. If you have poor posture, it will be difficult to display an impressive beach physique. In addition to being unattractive, bad posture might hinder your training. Poor posture, in the words of Bill Hartman, a strength trainer and physical therapist, can cause a cascade of structural flaws that result in acute problems, such as joint pain throughout your body, reduced flexibility, and compromised muscles, all of which can limit your ability to burn fat and build strength. Almost everyone might benefit from straightening their posture exercise. 9. To lose weight, engage in high-intensity interval training. A type of conditioning exercise known as high-intensity interval training, HIIT, alternates between brief periods of high-intensity exercise and brief periods of recuperation. HIIT is a far more efficient approach to shed fat over time than conventional exercising. For instance, University of Western Ontario researchers found that people burnt more fat by performing 4 to 6 30-second sprints, with a 4-minute break in between, than by walking on an incline treadmill for 60 minutes. 10. Increase your physical activity outside of exercising. Maintaining an effective diet and workout routine will help you look great on the beach. But you should also be aware of your activities away from the kitchen and the gym. The outcomes of your training will be improved by increasing your non-exercise physical activity, and it will be simpler to keep a beach body well into fall. Utilizing the stairs, taking a leisurely stroll rather than watching television, and engaging in physical activity on the weekends can all make a significant difference. 11. Decide on core-focused exercises. Everyone has a Beachbody checklist that includes a strong, muscular core. By choosing activities that call for more core strength, you can incorporate additional core training into your routine. Consider substituting push-ups for bench press, front squats and deadlifts for cable rows, and body weight rows for cable rows when working your lower body. 12. Weighted hip thrusts will tone your glutes. A good set of glutes makes any pair of trunks or bikini bottoms appear better. To create a well-rounded beach figure, including hip thrusts in your workout. It is now time to begin. Your dream beach body is closer than you might believe. Just picture how much more self-assurance you will possess in a matter of weeks. Additionally, you succeeded in your mission without subjecting your body to a harmful crash diet. In order to get closer to your beach body from home, just click on the link below the video. Please like and subscribe our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.